Hello. Um, this is my first ever YouTube video, um, and I'm here today to unbox this lovely iPhone 5S. I ordered it 22nd of September, and it has arrived today on the 15th of October. I did originally go to my local Apple store, but they didn't have any at all, and I think we all know why, with the shortage of the 5S, partly to do with the low yield rate of the fingerprint sensor. This video was originally going to be for my brother because he's on holiday, so I was going to record the video because he couldn't be here to see it, and then send it to him. But I decided, why not? Why not stick it on YouTube, eh? You never know. You're probably wondering why I keep looking down. It's because I've written notes on my phone. I keep looking to it. That's quite poor of me. That's quite amateurish, but there you go. I'm an amateur. First YouTube video. Spent ages trying to find a good spot for this, so decided to use my laptop webcam, which is possibly the poorest quality video there is. Probably the poorest quality ever. I should get a tripod so you can see over my shoulder, but I need to invest in that. My hair's a mess. I did receive this before I went to work, but I decided to wait until I got home and do it then. So that's why I look a mess. So I apologise. Lovely dining room here. Okay, anyway, forget it. Box. Nothing interesting about the box. Hope you can't see my address that's there actually. On the back is just the invoice. So peel that off. Very sticky. Sticky. Okay, box. IMEI number on the side there. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the top or the bottom. Just the sticker on the front from when the UPS man delivered it to me this morning. Well, I say this morning, it was about 2 o'clock. I was very excited to see the UPS man, and I screamed like a little girl. Okay, so let's do this. Trusty knife, stainless steel knife, which is stained. That's, again, poor. Do this, get into this. I'm in. I'm incredibly excited about this. Oh dear. Oh. Wonderful. So excited. Let's get this out. Oh, the box is heavier than I expected. Nothing else is put that down there. Nothing else is in the box. What's underneath there? Nothing. Very small box for the. Ah, I love that. The box is too big, so they had to put in like a. Yeah, whatever. I don't care about the box. 64 gig iPhone 5S. Space grey. I was gonna say black and slate then, but it's not. First ever iPhone. So wanted to go like, the whole black iPhone thing. Sorry. Okay, let's do this. Knife. Make sure we're still recording because that would be annoying. Oh, I don't want to damage the shrink wrap. I don't want to damage the shrink wrap. What kind of? You wouldn't say that. I can't get into it. I don't know. Oh, the box feels nice. The box feels nice. Smells even better now. Oh, oh, and there it is. You. Oh, that's me. That's really creepy. You do not understand how. Yeah. Ah, they look so weird in person. It looks so much different. I mean, if you went to the Apple Store, which I did, my local Apple Store, and tried to play on it, it's so much different. It's just you wouldn't believe it. Okay. Sorry, just there we go. Take this out. Ah, wow. Incredibly light. Oh wow. That's just. It's weird to see it in person. I don't know if that makes sense. Um, weird to see it in person, like real life. Wow. I'm gonna put that on top of the box, one side. Yeah, the whole route of me, the way I'm doing this is copied from other people who have done it. So usually they put it to one side and then go into the box, which is what I'm doing. Okay, so I mean I've had an iPod in that before. I've had like 3 iPods actually, an iPod Nano, a Touch, and then I've got a Classic. So tray, designed by Apple in California. I don't know if you can see that. No, poor webcam for you. Oh, for a split second there, I held this and I was scared that the SIM ejector tool wouldn't be there, but it is. So that's good. Um, yeah, nothing on that. SIM ejector tool inside. One little card with iPhone 5S on it. Um, not much there. iPhone info and the infamous Apple stickers, which I'll probably keep in the box for months and then stick them on something totally unrelated. This table is so messy right now. Okay, that's that. Okay. Plug! The plug! Plug. The plug went. The plug was in there. Plug. Earpods. Um, yeah. And USB Lightning pin connector. And there's nothing else in the box. So that is it. Yeah, it could be really annoying and go through all this stuff. But I'm sure you've all seen it before, and I'd like people to watch this, so I won't get straight to the good stuff. I know a lot of people, when you watch the video, they peel this off, but I'm not going to. Wow, doesn't even feel good. Okay, this is also going to be like a setup as well. So, okay, so it's alive. It actually works. So for the price I paid for it, it does work. Wow, that is a crisp Apple logo on a nice black background. I'm loving that. Absolutely lovely. It did say hola, hello, but yeah, basically just different languages. There's no SIM in it because I'm currently on EE and I'm moving over to giffgaff, so I haven't activated my SIM card yet, which is something I was supposed to do before this video. I need to do that. Okay, so slide to set up. No SIM card installed. So maybe I can't even use the phone yet. I don't know. British English or English? Um, I'm I'm gonna go with British English. Okay, I think that's probably right. I hope so. Just seems to be stuck on setting language at the minute. Again, it's told me that I need to install a SIM card. Select your country or region, United Kingdom. Wi-Fi. Yes, that is my Wi-Fi. I have a little bit of paper here with my Wi-Fi password on it, which is handy. So I'll enter that now. Wow. The keyboard is nice. Let's join. Hopefully I've entered it right. Hey, it worked. It may take a few moments. Okay, so the sad reality is I can't use the phone until I've inserted a SIM card. I don't know if you can. Okay, that's quite upset. That's quite upsetting. Um, yeah, no, can't do anything. Um, well, that's about it then. Um, I guess I'll just have to activate my giffgaff SIM card, and then when that activates, because I went to get my pack code the other day, so I'll have to activate that, and then once that's gone over, once my number's gone over, I can put my SIM card in and hopefully start using the phone. Uh, I'm going to try and make some more videos on the case that I purchased at the same time, and also um, I got the official 5S case, and I got the Apple Care as well. So I'm going to try and do 2 more videos on them, and hopefully I'll have a working phone. Um, that's really upsetting, actually. Uh, but yeah, um, that's it. Uh, Quite a poor first video ever, but there you go. I have an iPhone, and I'm extremely happy. So that'll be it. That'll be it for now then. I only have 1 subscriber at the moment, so I hope that she likes and watches this video, and I hope that in time other people watch my crappy videos. Uh, that's it. I'm Ash.